We'll guide you through how to find downloads on an Android phone. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So perhaps you've been downloading some different files and now you're wondering where can you go and find them. We're going to be guiding you through how this can be done. Make sure this is full guide and don't skip ahead. So to go and get started, on your phone, you want to go and swipe up to go and open up the app pages page. Then you want to come to the top and you should go and see the search bar. Tap there. In here, you want to go and type in files and you want to go and find your files app. This can be called slightly different things, but it'll be called something like files and you want to go and tap on it. You usually have some type of file or folder icon. Now you can press the back button in the bottom left or in the top left. Keep pressing it until you get back to this main page. And you want to go and look in categories, and in here you want to go and find the option for downloads, and so you want to go and tap there. Then you're going to go and see the different files you've downloaded. That's it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.